Hi guys, I'm Todd with TW Home Show. Welcome back today. Today I've got something to show you on how to bring your kitchen up to the next level in sophistication. I've got a unique item that I've asked Rok Hardware to send me so that we can review this and see how easy it is to turn your cabinet doors into soft closing doors. Now what you're going to get, depending on how many doors you have around your kitchen, I've got about 30, 32, and you're going to get a simple bag like this, shipped in a box, and it's going to have the soft adapters with simple instruction sheet, and it will also contain a pack of screws, or 2 packs, and you're going to count the screws and you're going to say, whoa, wait, this soft close dampener has 2 holes in each one, but you're only going to use 1 hole in each dampener, and I'm going to show you how to do that shortly. But first, let's take a closer look at this dampener. It's kind of like a little shock, and it's really hard to push by hand, but when you have the weight of the door behind it, trust me, it works. If you got a heavier door, you'll want to adjust the dampener. It's got a Phillips head screw slot right there on the back of it. You can't adjust it by hand, it's too tight. So you just take a Phillips and then you can adjust that. They mount to your frames, not your door. So your door is just going to strike up against this. What you're going to need to install these is a 3/32 inch drill bit, which I've got, and a handy cordless drill. Works just fine. Now this is going to be one of the easiest projects you've ever done, and it's going to show the best results. Now for this project, it works for lower cabinet doors and also upper cabinet doors. And you're going to want to have a stool handy for your upper cabinet doors. I recommend this stool here. Anything in this video can be purchased below in the description. You'll find the links there. Alright guys, you're going to be at the top of the cabinet here. In the corner is where you're going to want to mount this dampener. You'll take one right here like this, and it goes mounted, and it mounts this way, long ways out from the door, not down from the top of the cabinet. So we'll snug it up in the corner right there. Take your drill, go in about 1/2 inch. Now you're going to want to take your dampener and one of your screws. Hug this dampener up in the top there while you take your screw, push it up in the corner, and a Phillips screwdriver. Easy as that. Now we'll do a couple more and we'll see how these work. These soft close door dampeners are very easy to install. They just require 1 hole drilled per location. So, and the hole you drill will be a 3/32 inch drill bit going in about 1/2 inch. Sometimes you'll get doors like this. We've installed the dampener up in the corner. We go to close it, and these are thinner doors than the other ones I just mounted, and so they're lighter weight. So we got to reduce the tension. Remember I showed you that adjustment on the back of the dampener? We have to take a Phillips screwdriver up there and release some of that tension. Okay, to make an adjustment to your dampener, we're going to take the Phillips screwdriver, and there we have it with adjustments. Now to make adjustments, to release some of the tension, you'll take a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew it. That releases the tension on your dampener. If you need more tensioner or more tension, then screw it like you're screwing in a screw clockwise. Easy as that. All right guys, when you're done, you're gonna have something like this. The dampener's gonna be up in the top corner. Push it shut, and it's gonna glide into a finish. Simple as that. Hope you enjoy. See you on the next video.